The Mavic Mini is one of the most popular small drones in the world, bringing many of the advantages of larger, more expensive drones to a more affordable and fun package. But is your DJI Mavic Mini legal? Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. On this channel, we bring you a wide range of content focused on drones and tech, from the latest drone news to tech how-tos, and from interviews to fun live streams. For more like this, subscribe and hit the notification bell to get your drone news first. Today, we're talking about the DJI Mavic Mini and checking whether you are flying yours within regulations. This is a popular little drone which has sold very well on both sides of the pond due to its lightweight, small form and relatively affordable price. As with any other popular tech items, especially those involving a camera, there are a wide array of aftermarket accessories available for the Mavic Mini. Everything from wraps, extended landing gear, lighting, ND filters, and even light-up LED propellers. But fitting these accessories could mean you fall foul of the regulations both here in the UK and in the US. For many purchasers of the DJI Mavic Mini, one clear advantage of the drone is the fact that at 249 grams, you do not need to register the drone with authorities. This makes things simple for new flyers, and many more experienced drone flyers simply do not like the idea of it. The whole concept of drone registration has become a hot topic for many in the hobby. However, with the DJI Mavic Mini weighing in at 249 grams and the registration minimum weight in both the UK and US being 250 grams, flyers of the popular drone only have 1 gram to play with. As you might expect, many of the accessories mentioned push the Mavic Mini above the registration limit and mean you would need to register your drone before you fly it. It is all about the weight of the drone at flight and not out of the box. Of course, most of us would expect things like landing gear extenders or a strobe light to push it over the limit, but even something like a funky design wrap will do the same. Remember, there is only 1 gram spare. So if you're flying your DJI Mavic Mini with an accessory, take a look at the weight of the product you're adding to see if it means you need to register the drone before flying it next. Although regulations might change in the future to force even the standard Mavic Mini to be registered, for instance here in the UK upcoming EASA regulation changes will make this the case, we should still all enjoy flying this great little drone without the need to register for as long as we can. Coming up on Geeksvana, we have more videos focused on the DJI Mavic Mini and changes to drone regulations, so stay tuned for more updates. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No in the seat.